Hello and Happy New Year greetings to all. Bonjour et salut à tous dans cette nouvelle année de 2024. With this vlog, which is the 16th in my series since having arrived in Guinea, I actually take a look back to the prior year, to 2023, to definitely one of the highlights I had. And what happened, what this highlight was a long weekend hiking trip during the month of July that I took with a few fellow volunteers and also a returned Peace Corps volunteer who had served in Guinea and then who was coming back for research purposes at the time. So we all communicated with each other and developed a plan to explore and do some hiking over a long weekend in definitely one of the greatest and just most incredible hiking spots within Guinea. So for a bit more background about our hiking outing, our destination was to a place called Douki, which is located within the middle region of Guinea. So it is sandwiched between the lower region of Guinea, which is coastal, and then the upper region of Guinea, which is bordered by Senegal and Mali. And the middle region is in between those two. And locally, the middle region of Guinea is also known as well as the Fouta Djallon. And in the Fouta, the topography consists of highlands and mountains. So it contains it contains a lot of river sources for the rivers that are found in West Africa, including the Senegal River, the Gambia River, the Niger River, and a lot of the rivers that flow through Guinea and Sierra Leone as well. They all have their sources in the Fouta Djallon because of the elevation that's found there, and in addition because of the more temperate climate and abundant rainfall, especially during the rainy season, that's found there. And in this vlog, you'll definitely see the theme of water because we went to Douki during the rainy season, and so the water was definitely abundant. And just one of the incredible features of Douki is the waterfalls that are around there, and that we got to see through our hiking and through the expertise and skill of our guide. In addition to the waterways and waterfalls, some of the other great features around Douki were also, of course, reflective of the natural environment as well. So as you'll see with the footage, I was able to get some pretty incredible panoramic overviews from vistas, some pretty breathtaking ravines and canyons and trenches as well. All in all, I really enjoyed the excursion to Douki, not only for the hiking and the thrill of it, but also for the camaraderie of being able to spend it with my fellow cohort members and being able to meet a returned volunteer from Guinea as he was spending some further time to come back to the country. And without further ado, I'll close out this intro and we'll get to the footage and the main content of the vlog. I hope you enjoy, and until next time, take care, everybody.
It's extraordinary. This is crazy. This is nice.
Yeah.